Hello everyone, this is S. Bhargav, working as an assistant professor in the Department of EI, VNR VJIT, Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss a topic called subtraction using complement methods, and this is one of the important topic from switching theory and logic design. Now, as we know that in any arithmetic circuit, the addition and subtraction plays a very important role. In any circuit, in any arithmetical logical operation, addition, subtraction, these are the two important types of operations which are done. So coming to the subtraction, we know that in any digital circuit, what is the main aim of any digital circuit is to reduce the cost, and to reduce the size, right? So what happens in practical life or real life, instead of using two circuit, one for addition and one for subtraction, all the operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all of the operations are done by a single circuit. Now today we will discuss how we can do subtraction only with the help of an adder circuit, or you can say only with the help of addition. So for doing so, there are different methods, and one of the method is called the complement method. So now today we will discuss the complement method of subtraction, how we can do subtraction using complement method. So for doing subtraction using complement method, there are three methods. One is called 2's complement, second one is called the 9's complement, third one is the 10's complement. So first we will discuss about the first method, that is the 2's complement method. So there are few steps which we will note it down. So to perform a minus b, right, to perform a minus b, what is a minus b is equal to a plus 2's complement of b. Clear? A minus b is equal to a plus 2's complement of b. So now in this formula only you can see that we want to perform a subtraction, but we have done that using only a adder circuit. You can see a plus symbol over here. So a minus b is equal to a plus 2's complement of b. Next, if in the result, after doing the operation, if in the result a carry is generated, if in the result a carry is generated, then the number is a positive number. And we have to discard the carry, Clear? So after performing the operation, that is a plus 2's complement of b, if in the result a carry is generated, then the number is called a positive number, and what we have to do with the carry, you have to discard the carry. Clear? Now second case, if there is no carry, if there is no carry, that means the number is a negative number. And to get the final answer, what we have to do, we have to take the 2's complement. Of the answer. Clear? The concept will go through the concept by taking some example. You will get a clear idea. So same, we want to perform a minus b. That is 15 minus 10. So in this case, what is a here is 15, and what is b over here is 10. So what is the formula? A minus b is equal to a plus 2's complement of b. The first thing which you have to do is you have to write down it in a binary form. So what is 15 in binary form? 1 1 1 1. And what is 10? 1 0 1 0. So what is the first step? A minus b is equal to a. What is a plus 2's complement of b? So we have to first take the 2's complement of b, right? This is my b. We have to take the 2's complement. So what is the 2's complement? 2's complement is, I hope you remember the shortcut. Write down the number as it is unless you encounter the first one. After that, complement the number. So 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. So this is my 2's complement of b. Now we will perform the final operation, that is A plus 2's complement of B. So what is my A? 1 1 1 1. 2's complement of B is 0 1 1 0. Now we have to perform the addition operation. So this will be 1 0 1 0 1. Clear? 1 0 1 0 1. So now if in the result a carry is generated, if you observe properly, this is my carry, right? This is my carry. So if in the result a carry is generated, the number is a positive number. So what is this number? This is a positive number. And discard the carry and discard the carry. This carry will be discarded. And what is this value? 1 0 1. 0 1 0 1 is 5. So this is nothing but plus 5. So what was the expected answer? 15 minus 10 should be positive 5, and we got the same answer, that is positive 5, but only using only one operation, that is addition. I hope it's clear. So what is the first step which you have to do? You have to write down A, where A and B. A in my case is 15, B in my case is 10, and you have to write down the number in binary form. A will be written as 1111, B as 1010. So first take the 2's complement of B. The 2's complement of 1010 is 0110. Once we got the 2's complement of B, you have to add it to A. So this is my final answer, 10101. If in the final answer there is a carry, it means that the number is positive and you have to discard the carry, and this will be my magnitude. 0101 is nothing but 5, and my final answer is plus 5. So this is the condition for the 15 minus 10. Now we will do one more example. Now we will see the second example. In the previous example, we have seen 15 minus 10 and we got the answer plus 5. Now we'll do the second example, that is 10 minus 15. And so what is my expected answer? Expected answer is minus 5. Let us check whether we are getting the same answer or not. So in this case, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 15. First you have to write down the binary representation 1010, binary representation of 1111. B in this case is 1111. First we have to take down the 2's complement of B. So 2's complement of B will be 1 0 0 0. Now we have to add 2's complement of B to A. So what is A in my case? 1010 plus 0 0 0 1. So it will be 1 1 0 1. Is there any carry over here? There is no carry, right? So no carry indicates that my number is negative. No carry means that my number is negative, and to get the final answer, or you can say to get the correct answer, we have to take the 2's complement. We have to take the 2's complement of my intermediary result. So this is my intermediary result. From the intermediary result, I came to a conclusion that it is a negative number. How? Because there is no carry. And to find out the real value of the number, we have to take down the 2's complement of this intermediary result. So let us check what is the 2's complement of this number. 1010, it will be 1 0 1 0. That is, what is the value? This is 5. And what is the sign? Minus. So we got exactly the same answer, that is minus 5. I hope you understood how to find out the value, or you can do say subtraction using the 2's complement method. So now we will move on to our next method, that is the 9's complement method. That is the 9's complement method of subtraction. So once you are thorough enough with the 2's complement, you can easily do the 9's complement, because the method is pretty similar to the 2's complement. So 9's complement, the next one is the 9's complement. So here also the steps are similar. To perform A minus B, we have to take A plus 9's complement of B. A plus 9's complement of B. If there is a carry, same. If there is a carry, add it to the result. Add it to the result, and the number is positive. And the number is positive. Previously we used to discard. Here we have to add it to the result. Next, if there is no carry, if there is no carry, that means the number is negative, and to get out to find out the true answer, we have to take the nines complement. Now we will see what do you mean by nines complement. See, nines complement of any number means subtracting that number from 9. For example, there is a number 777, and they have asked you to find out the nines complement of 777, means you have to subtract 777 from 999. So it will be 222. So 222 is the nines complement of 7. Similarly, 999.99, you can say 634.54. So what is the nines complement of 634.54, means you have to subtract it from 999.99. It will be 54563, 365.45. This is how we are going to find out the uh, nines complement. Now we will see how we are going to do the subtraction using nines complement from by taking one example. Clear? So let us assume the example is 745.81 minus 436.62. So what is A in my case? It is 745.81. B in my case is 436.62. Clear? So first thing is you have to take the nines complement of B. B in my case is 436.62. So I hope you know how to find out the nines complement. 999.99 minus 436.62. So it will be 73365. So this is the nines complement of B. So what is the final step? A plus nines complement of B. What is A? 745.81 plus 563.37. So this will come 81.903 with a carry 1, right? So when a carry is generated, add it to the result. So where I'm going to add it, I will add it here. Clear? So the final answer is 309.19. And is this number negative or positive? It is a positive number because a carry is generated. When a carry is generated, the number is positive. So this is plus 309.19. Let us verify whether the answer is correct or not. So what was the problem? 745.81 minus 436.62. So it is 9 to 11, 1903, right? So we got both the answers are same. Clear? So this is how we can do is using nines complement. So we'll take one more example. Now let us take the second example. So in the second example, I will just interchange the value. So it will be 436.62 minus 745.81. So what is A in this case? A is 436.62, and what is B in this case? 745.81. So what is the first step? Take down the nines complement of B. So nines complement means 999.99, 745.81. So it will be 81452. So this is the value of nines complement of B. Now I'm going to add it to the value of A. So what is A? A is 436.62 plus 254.18. So it will be 08690. Now, is there any carry? There is no carry. No carry means that the number is negative. And to get the final answer, we have to take the nines complement of our intermediary result. Nines complement of intermediary result, right? This is my intermediary result. So now I'm going to find out the nines complement. So nines complement is 999.99 minus 690.80. So it will be 91903. And what will be the sign? Plus or minus? It will be minus because there is no carry. No carry indicates that the number is negative, and to find out the real value, you have to find out the nines complement of intermediate result. So this is the answer which we got. Now let us check whether the answer is correct or not. So 436.62 minus 745.81. So let us check whether we are getting the same answer or not. So 436.62 minus 745.81. So it will be 91.309 with a negative sign, right? So now we can observe that both the answers are correct. So this is how we can do the subtraction using the nines complement method. Now let us go to the last method, that is the tens complement method. We will discuss about the last method, that is the tens complement method. So again, in tens complement method, to perform a minus b, it will be a plus tens complement of b. A plus a minus b is equal to tens complement of b. If there is a carry, ignore it. If there is a carry, ignore the carry, and the carry indicates that the number is a positive number. Second case, if there is no carry, it indicates that the result is negative, and to find out the real value, you have to take the tens complement of intermediate result. So directly I will start with the example. So let us assume there is an example 2928.54 minus 416.73. So what is A in this case is 2928.54, and what is B in this case 416.73. So what is the first step? You have to take out the tens complement of B. So we know how to find out the nines complement. So now we have to find out the tens complement. So what is tens complement? Tens complement is nines complement plus 1, right? Which is very much similar to the twos complement. Twos means ones complement plus 1. Tens complement means nines complement plus 1. Now we have to find out the tens complement of B. So tens complement of B means first I will find out the nines complement. So nines complement will be 9999.99. It will be 0416.73. See, I have taken here 4 nines because to make it even, right? So it will be 626.3859. This is my nines complement, and this will be my tens complement. So 27.9583, right? So to get the final answer, we have to add this value to A. So what is A? A is 2928.54. To it, I am going to add my B's tens complement of B, that is nothing but 9583.27. So now we will add A plus tens complement of B. So what is the value? It will be 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, carry 1, 8, 2, 11, 1, carry 1, 9, 10, 15, carry 1, 9, 10, 11, right? So this is my value 12511.81. So if you observe, is there any carry or not? Yes, there is a carry. This one is my carry. So whenever there is a carry, it indicates that the number is positive and we have to ignore that carry. So what will be my final answer? The final answer will be plus 2511.81. This is what I got, and let us check whether we are getting the same answer or not without traditional method. So traditional method is 2928.54 minus 416.73. So here 81115. So if you check, we got the same answer, right? So let us take one more example. Now, the second example, I will just interchange the value. The second example is 0416.73 minus 2928.54. In this case, A is 0416.73 and B is 2928.54. So what is the first step? First step is you have to take the tens complement of B. To find out the tens complement, first we have to find out the nines complement. So nines complement will be 99228.54. So it will be 451,707. To find out the tens component, you have to add plus 1. So it will be 7071.46. So to get the final answer, we have to add it to A. A in our case is 0416.73. To it, you have to add it 7071.46. So it will be 91847. Is there any carry? There is no carry. No carry means that the number is negative. So now we came to note that the number is negative, and to get the final output, what we have to do, we have to take the tens complement of intermediary result. So this is my intermediary result, right? So to get the final answer, we have to find out the tens complement of this intermediary result. So let us find it out. So 9999.99 minus 7488.19. So it will be 0811152. To it I am going to add a 1. So it will be 812511 with a negative sign. So this is the final answer which I got. So now we are going to check with a traditional method whether the answer is correct or not. So let us check. 0416.73 minus 2928.54. So it will be, you can check, 81, it will be 2511.81. So you got the same answer, right? So this is how we can do subtraction using 2's complement method, 9's complement method, or 10's complement method. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you very much, and please like and subscribe our VNR Digital Learning Resource channel. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.